Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I've been looking for an alarm clock for my son's room for quite a while now, and I found one that met every expectation I had and more. Let me tell you about it. This alarm clock is amazing, and it has so many cool features that I don't have enough time to tell you about all of them, but I am going to highlight my favorite. And the top of the list is the projector. Look at this thing. This is the middle of the day, and you can see how bright it is. But also, you can lower that for nighttime if it's too intense for your kids. You have 21 different light features to choose from with different colors, different modes. It's just so much fun. My son absolutely loves this feature. I also love that it comes with this very durable platform. It's made for kids, so they're not going to bust this thing up. They can be rough with it, and it's going to be great. It also comes with a cool remote, and you're able to do all of the features from the remote. It also has some really cool Bluetooth features. So you can see the clarity is awesome. It also has a lot of white noise features. So this alarm clock is just fantastic. I love all of the things that it does, and he loves it too. But that's just my point of view.